For heavy-duty industrial applications, from metallurgical smelting and wastewater treatment to automated pneumatic conveying, maintaining uninterrupted aerodynamic efficiency requires absolute mechanical precision. The BK8016S positive three-lobe roots blower delivers this engineered predictability. Designed to manage discharge differential pressures between 10 and 80 kilopascals, this robust machine outputs a steady volumetric capacity up to 47.14 cubic meters per minute, adapting seamlessly to rigorous multi-industry manufacturing workflows. At its advanced mechanical core, the system features precision-engineered helical timing gears dynamically paired with an integral impeller structure. This configuration minimizes rotational harmonics while ensuring long-term shaft alignment under continuous heavy loads. To master intense thermal stress, imported fluororubber oil seals reliably provide superior wear and high temperature resistance at operational speeds up to 1500 RPM. Weighing approximately 800 kilograms, this industrial powerhouse offers flexible horizontal or vertical configurations, powered by customizable 30 to 90 kilowatts high-efficiency multi-voltage motors. Optimize your plant's long-term energy consumption and eliminate structural micro-vibrations today. Contact our experts today for custom specifications, and subscribe to our channel for premium engineering insights.